Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to create a poll on Telegram step by step with the latest updated method. Whether you want to gather opinions, settle a debate, or simply engage your group, polls are one of the fastest and easiest ways to get instant feedback from your audience. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Navigate to the chat or group where you want to post your poll. This could be a private chat, a group conversation, or even a channel where you interact with your community. Once you're inside the chat, you'll notice the attach icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little paperclip. Go ahead and tap on that. From the options that appear, choose Poll. This will open a new window where you'll start creating your poll. At the very top, you'll see the option to type your main question. This is the part where you ask what you want people to answer. Try to keep it clear and simple so that your audience understands exactly what you mean. Next, add the possible answers or choices. You can enter multiple options depending on how detailed you want your poll to be. These options are the different responses your audience can pick from, so feel free to add as many as you need. After you've entered your options, you'll notice that Telegram allows you to choose the type of poll you want. You can make it a standard poll, where everyone chooses one answer, or you can set it to multiple answers, allowing people to select more than one. There's also the quiz style option, where you can mark a correct answer, which is great for testing knowledge in groups. Once everything looks good, double-check your question, your options, and your poll settings. When you're ready, simply tap the Create button. Instantly, your poll will be posted to the chat or group, and members can start voting right away. You'll be able to see the results appear in real time as participants cast their votes. That's it. Creating a poll on Telegram is quick, simple, and a fantastic way to keep everyone engaged and involved.